always a breath of fresh air to be amongst you, amongst the children. It's always a breath. We are growing old, and you help to, you help us to keep away the old age and sort of engage us in your, activities. You help us to feel young.
We all know and understand that adolescent is full of resources, is full of energy. And the National Curriculum Framework also says use them as resource, as source of inspiration, source of information, source of knowledge. And for that, the school education plays a very important role. The adolescence is not only full of charms but it's full of challenges. So how to deal with these challenges, I think program like adolescence education is very important.
Every student should be equal. They should not be selected on the basis of their academics. Everyone should get the chance to be selected in any competitive test.
In a learning environment, one should not feel shy to ask questions.
हम लोगों से पूछा गया कि आप अपने स्कूल के बारे में कैसा इमेजिन करते हो, उसको एक चार्ट पे दर्शाना था। अब हम सब सोच रहे थे कि अब जितने ग्रुप में 4 बच्चे थे, 4 अलग अलग ओपिनियन थे, उन चारों को कैसे एक ही में किया जाए, ये बात बहुत मेन थी, क्योंकि इस चारों के ओपिनियंस हम नहीं उतार सकते हैं, चारों को एक ही में जोड़ के उतार सकते हैं। उसको जोड़ने की कोशिश की पूरी, तो हमने सबके ओपिनियंस सुने, सबके बारे में जाना।
In this festival, ma'am, the gap between the students and the teachers is, we can say, decreased to a huge level. And ma'am, there is a negligible gap between the teachers and the students, because ma'am, both are in a single group, and ma'am, both are doing the same work. There is no difference between the teachers and the students.
Which is very often how हमें teachers को ऐसे train किया जाता है।
I mean, we stress on silence in the schools, but an interactive classroom would be where the children would talk, not at the same time. We need to give them certain guidelines that not to talk at the same time, but that is also necessary. We generally stress on silence in the classroom. A disciplined class is a silent class, so that has to be changed.
The school should be clean and the curtain should be there, from which we can get a free environment, clean environment.
You have all talked about the school you want, the dream school you want, and the dream school is leading to the world we want. And what the United Nations want to know from you, and listen to your voices, is what kind of world do you see in the future? What kind of school do you want to see in the future? How do you see the environment in the future? How do you see health in the future? All these kind of issues we want to know from you on how you think about it.
Freedom of expressions.
Curiosity.
Compassion. Interactive.
Empathy.
A school without any kind of caste tag, or a school which doesn't ask what your caste is.